Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the incredible journey of Amazon, from its humble beginnings in a garage to becoming a global empire. Ready? Let's go. So, it all started in 1994. A guy named Jeff Bezos had a vision. He began selling books online from his garage in Seattle. Yep, just books. Little did anyone know, this was the start of something massive. Fast forward a few years, and Amazon isn't just about books anymore. In 1998, they started selling music and DVDs. Then came electronics, toys, and even groceries. Amazon was evolving into a one-stop shop for everything. Then 2005 hit. Enter Amazon Prime. For a yearly fee, customers got free 2-day shipping and access to exclusive deals. It was a game changer. People loved it, and it quickly became a cornerstone of Amazon's business. By 2011, Amazon took another bold step: Prime Video. Competing with giants like Netflix, Amazon started producing original content. Shows like The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel and The Boys put them on the map as a serious player in the streaming world. But Amazon wasn't just about content. They wanted to be in your home too. Remember the Kindle? It revolutionized how we read books. Then came the Echo and Alexa in 2014. Voice assistants became a part of daily life. Alexa, what's the weather? Suddenly it felt like the future was here. Of course, not everything was a hit. The Fire Phone, launched in 2014, was a major flop. Amazon quickly learned that not all innovations would succeed, but they didn't let it slow them down. Next, let's talk acquisitions. Amazon bought Whole Foods in 2017, shaking up the grocery industry. They also acquired Ring, the smart doorbell company, integrating security into their ecosystem. Amazon was everywhere, but behind all these moves was one man, Jeff Bezos. His vision and relentless drive turned Amazon into what it is today. In 2021, Bezos stepped down as CEO, but his influence remains. So, what does the future hold for Amazon? With ongoing innovations in AI, drone deliveries, and even space travel with Blue Origin, the sky's the limit. Amazon isn't just a company, it's a revolution. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Amazon's history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech stories. See you next time.